It's 3:20 a.m. and we are in Delhi. And it will take around 16 hours to reach Joshimath. We have just entered Uttarakhand. Right now we are in Vyasi and we are approx 200 kilometers still from Joshimath. There are multiple road constructions going on, so we are facing a lot of traffic. It will take around 7 to 8 hours to reach Joshimath. So let's see. We are stuck in Devbhoomi for almost 3 hours due to the landslide. So yesterday we had our stay in Vyasi. So right now it's 5 in the morning. Cheers.
This is the Alaknanda river right here. It flows down and it meets Ganga at Devprayag. So right now we are heading up towards Joshimath. It's still around 150 kilometers, I'm guessing, from here, and it's gonna be a lot more cold. So let's see how it goes.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home, anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars, out where the sun sets.
We just reached Prayag and this is the meeting place of two rivers, Ganga and Alaknanda. And as we are going up, we have 80 kilometers to reach Joshimath. Hopefully we will reach Joshimath by 2 or 3 hours. 2 kilometers to Joshimath, we are really excited. So we have reached Joshimath. There are snow-covered mountains all around.
Outrun the dark, keep our eyes open, mountains we cross, sail every ocean.
Good morning from Auli. 8 in the morning and the temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Everywhere is covered in snow.
Shining and let it tell the time.